Making money with GoHighLevel involves leveraging its powerful marketing and automation tools in different ways. Here are some strategies. Start a digital marketing agency. GoHighLevel offers a complete suite for digital marketing, including CRM, funnels, email or SMS marketing, and automation. You can use these tools to provide services such as lead generation, marketing automation, and client management. By offering these services to small businesses, you can charge clients a monthly fee. Resell GoHighLevel as a white label SaaS. GoHighLevel allows you to white label the platform, meaning you can offer the software under your own brand. By selling access to GoHighLevel as a SaaS, you can earn recurring revenue by charging a monthly subscription fee for access to the platform and its tools. Affiliate program. GoHighLevel has an affiliate program that lets you earn commissions for referring new customers. You can promote the platform on your website, social media, or through email marketing. Affiliates earn a recurring commission, so the more clients you refer, the more money you make. Offer training and support. As a GoHighLevel expert, you can charge for consulting, training, and support services to help clients set up and optimize the platform.